Are you looking for additional capital for your dealership? Do you want to know if your flooring company is accepted at Big Valley Auto Auction? Maybe you're overwhelmed by the options and want to narrow down your candidates. Whichever situation you fall under, a flooring company can help. Knowing what flooring companies are available and how to choose a floor plan will save time and improve cash flow. Hi, my name is Mandy Tafoya, Accounts Receivable here at Big Valley Auto Auction. At Big Valley Auto Auction, we host over 700 dealers that utilize various payment methods. We understand that choosing a floor plan can be overwhelming. We compiled a list of flooring companies accepted at Big Valley Auto Auction and how you can utilize them for your dealership. We will cover the following questions. What is a floor plan? How can I benefit from a flooring company? Flooring companies accepted at Big Valley Auto Auction. My flooring company isn't on your list. What's next? In the auto industry, a floor plan is a revolving line of credit offered to an auto dealer so they can finance vehicles for resale. Much like a credit card, a flooring company will offer a set amount of funds that you may use to purchase vehicles for your inventory. Like any credit card, there are fees to pay on your floor plan credit lines. When a floor plan company is used to purchase vehicles here at Big Valley, you will need to pay a $30 flooring fee. A flooring company can relieve you from using your cash to buy inventory. These features allow you to use extra funds for overhead and facility maintenance. Some flooring companies offer account management platforms to view and track floor plan inventory. These features can save you time and stress by eliminating the need to track vehicles' information manually. Flooring companies accepted at Big Valley Auto Auction are AFC, Auction Credit, Auto Use, Carbucks, Car Financial, Flex Plus, Floor Plan Express, Kinetic Advantage, Next Gear, and Westlake Financial. BVAA generally accepts any flooring company brought in by our dealers. If you did not see your floor plan company on our list, please call so we can reach out to your flooring company. In this video, you learned about the flooring companies accepted at Big Valley Auto Auction. Now that you know how to compare flooring companies and what to do when your flooring company isn't listed, you can choose your best option. For more information, you can call us at 956-461-9000 or visit our website at www.bigvalleyaa.com. Now that you know all about flooring companies, you can determine which one will benefit you and your business. The research doesn't end here. If this video sparked you to research further, subscribe to BVAA blog for more information about all things auto auction. Always protect and grow your business with an auto auction you can trust. And remember, here at Big Valley, we're driving excellence, helping you succeed one vehicle at a time, because when you're here, you're family.